This is another video in my series on alternating current. In this video, I'm going to work on an alternating current circuit example using real numbers. You will find this topic, along with others, in my course entitled Basic Fundamentals of AC Circuit Analysis. You can access this and my other courses on my Stand Store at this web address. Having solved for all the currents and voltages in our series RLC circuit, I'm now going to show you how you can check your calculations. Kirchhoff's voltage law provides us with a check on our calculations. To demonstrate Kirchhoff's voltage law in an AC circuit, we can look at the answers that we derived from our component voltage drops in the last circuit that we looked at. Kirchhoff's voltage law tells us that the algebraic sum of the voltage drops across the resistor, the inductor, and the capacitor should equal the applied voltage from the source. Even though this may not look like it's true at first sight, a bit of complex number addition provides us with the answer. If you missed out on the Father's Day discounts at Anchor, I want to remind you that there are still plenty of discounts available. Here is a sample of the discounts that are still available. These are the best sellers of Apple accessories. In order to take advantage of these and other sales, simply tap into this web address. You'll note that all of the characters in this address are lowercase. This video is part of my Electrical Technical Information series. It is this series that I'll be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. Be sure and stay tuned, as I'll also, from time to time, be reviewing electrical products that, in my opinion, are worthy of paying attention to. This address will give you access to the supplier of aforementioned products, and it is also a connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets, which will serve as a quick reference of technical calculations that you may need. Also, by providing me with your name and email address, I will be able to forward you information to connect with electrical products and to provide you with notifications of more electrical training in future videos.